Hey there, welcome back to this new video where I will tell you how to keep these deers away from your truck when you're driving at night like this. So right now I am in my Freeliner 2023. Doesn't matter which truck or which car do you have, you just have to buy this stuff. This is called deer alerts. They'll give you 2 whistles, and now I will just open it and put it on my truck. Let's open this shit. As you can see, we have got this stuff. You can buy this in USA or Canada. This is around 20 or 10 US dollars, anywhere around this price. I have bought this on a gas station from TA. You can buy it from any Love's pump or any gas station. So you see, when we get this, we get 2 things, and this is double-sided tape. These are 2 whistles. So whenever you are placing these vessels, you just have to keep one thing in mind, that if this is my semi truck, like this is standing like this, the thicker portion needs to be on the front side and the other one is to be on the back side. So you should place like this. So let's go outside and put it on my truck. Here you can see this is my semi truck, but I will go around this point where you can see there is a little bit of plastic space right here, and right around this point we just have to clean this thing first with a cloth or something, and then just put this thing like this. It already have double-sided tape. You see, the thicker portion is on the outer surface and the thin hole is on the back side. Let me put it and then show you. As you can all see, this is a double-sided tape, so I will just remove it. After removing the double-sided tape, just keep in mind, put this thing outside and put it right here, but first I have to clean it. So I have cleaned this stuff, this plastic thing, and I will keep this thicker side outside and just put it. You see, now I will, okay, it's almost done. Just try if it is not coming out. So it is done through, and I have put 2, one here, another one here. Now they will automatically become activated when your truck is going above 30 miles per hour. That's all.